Sure. Hello everyone and welcome back to another edition of the Velvet Lounge. There's Daisy. Here is her mom. We are at the Mansfield Flea Market and we are looking for good items for resale. And so far we haven't really found that much. The prices on everything is beyond retail. Seriously, the prices are outrageous. And then at the end of the season, these people will get desperate and everything will be super discounted. Excuse me. So, some of these folks I recognize from the local auctions. They go there, they buy tons of box lots, bring all the stuff here to get rid of it. Here's my friend Sooty Suit. How are you doing? You've been here all season and all of last season. Because the guy wants I think he said he wanted $1,500 for it. But it's really just a decorative suit of armor. It's nothing anyone ever wore, even for reenactment. And this guy always claims he has antiques, but these are actually brand new. So there are things that you definitely need to look out for when you're at the flea market. Some things are genuine and some things are not. I remember these chairs. Grandmother had chairs like this on her porch. My parents had chairs like these. I think we got them in the 60s, 1960s. Those are authentic. And then, of course, lots and lots and lots and lots of dishes. Buy one dish, get 1,700 of them for free. They're still...
It's $1, Mom.
I know, I like it. Because I like the cow on it for some reason.
That's so unlike
Look
you.
at it. It's so cute.
It is cute. It's just not something I expected you to pick up.
I feel like I have to get it, but let's see what else there is. Ooh, look, these remind me of when I grew up. I don't know what they are, but let's see. Let's see if there's anything else. If I can't make a bundle, then I'm not going to get anything. I have to buy one, get one free at least. Wow, it's a lot of dishes. Here's someone's grandma. She doesn't look very happy. She's a scary grandma. That's a grandma when they're like, you're going to grandma blah blah's house, you're the kids start crying instantly. We don't want to clean her attic again. To help him out, I think I might take that. This looks familiar, but it's only the yeah, there's no cups, just saucers. Ew, look at this. Here's your mid-century modern craze right here, Jays. I think you need this for your apartment.
Oh, no thank you.
It's unattractive enough. It's not signed. If it was signed, I would probably take it. Ew, look at this. You put your little thing. I remember something like this to pick it up. Use your little side handle.
Oh, that's actually really good.
They're very hot from being in the sun. They're really hot.
Pretty hot too.
I'm sure someone thinks you're super hot. Look at these. I don't know what it means though. What if it means something bad?
What are they? It looks like I was gonna say it looks like the Tolland tablet from the fire.
Here, we'll put those with that. We'll get all of that for $1. That would be fine. That and the tray.
Do you like it? Whatever.
Ew. No, I mean, I feel like you need 2 of them.
There's 3.
Where are the other ones? Oh, these are those record things. I need those for records.
I don't know if you want the flavor.
We have
Might want to go to him. Do you want me to hold up? Yes? Yes.
See if we $2. $3.
You should.
Let's see if there's anything else. Yeah, we made a tiny pile. Look, is this a trap?
Yes, definitely.
Is it?
Definitely. And what else would it be? I mean,
Oh, it's a light fixture. Somebody made it into a light fixture. What if the animal is still in it? Are these your tables also?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Everything
it's actually, it's a good question. It's an important question.
Well, we haven't made a deal yet, so we can't say everything's about. This is a butter, I think, for butter. Put your butter in this and cover it.
Yes, a butter tray, Mom.
Yeah, we might need that is something I could have used the other day when you're doing your fancy dinners. Look, this reminds you. Oh, it's a gecko. Thought it was a moose. Silhouettes of like people you don't know who they are.
Mom, what's the vignette?
The vignette is when you put 3 things together. Oh, look, a mood ring. Let's see what the mood is. Wait.
Warm.
Hold
I
it.
mean, it's so hot though that I don't think it's gonna.
I know it reacts off of your heat. Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. It's so hot.
It meant nothing. I have no mood. All right, I think we found a few things, and I'm willing to give you a couple dollars for them. $3. We'll be back.
Huh?
We'll be back in the future.
I won't be.
Oh, you won't be?
No.
Oh, this is it? You couldn't. I don't blame you, really. The flea market's hard. Yeah, $4. It's not half price, but I'll do 4.
Yeah, it's $1 a piece. So.
Oh, for each item?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so 4 days. I need the bag.
Wrapped?
That would be nice. Thanks. Let's pause.